What's up, guys? All right, so I am going through the car wash with the beater blue CRV at like 10 o'clock in the morning. I've been sitting here. I don't know why so many people decided in this fucking small town to wash their car at 10 in the morning. I was supposed to be over there to put the do the Jeep bumper. You can see there in the back. See that beautiful Jeep bumper? We're gonna weld it on the blue CRV. And the guy's going to teach me how to weld a little bit because I haven't done that. And he's going to help me out. We're going to get it on the crash bar. And it doesn't have to look super pretty because, like I said, this is going to be the beater, fun, you know, snow CRV this winter. And then we'll see where it goes. But I'm driving here with no brakes. So I had no brakes. I have the handbrake. And as you can see, my check engine light is flashing. And my brake light is on. So there's a leak I found out in the rear passenger side brake. I don't know exactly where. I'll find out this weekend, so I'm probably gonna need, I think it's a new rubber line. If not, I'll figure it out. And then I have a misfire in cylinder 1, 2, and 3. So I am going to put my other head on there. So I got a head gasket kit and everything for it. So that'll be fine. It still runs, still drives. You can hear it rev up. It's just slow. It's definitely slow, even with a tune-up and everything. So yeah, this video is gonna be about getting the bumper done and some stuff like that. But I just thought it was funny. I'm driving over here with no damn brakes, and it's been interesting. So it's not the first time I've done this, but it's been a long time since I've done this with no brakes. So. All right, guys, we're back. So I got my buddy Scott that is another Honda guy. He's got an EF in the garage. Maybe I'll walk by and see if he's cool with you seeing that. But we are doing the Jeep bumper right now. And we're getting down. We have to fabricate it, a few things to do this smoothly. And he's got me using a few different things. And he's kind of walking me through some of the stuff that I have never done on here. And let me swap this camera around. I'll show you. So we got, which I'm definitely going to be buying now, the Milwaukee Fuel line here has proven to be just superior in every way with what I'm doing out here. So he's got me using the grinder. He had me using the little impact that will pull even the lug nuts off, a little 12 volt. He's got me using well, this is the wheel cutter. And he's got the grinder there where we smooth out that other edge. You can see where we cut into. So I'm cutting right in here. And I'm cutting some notches in here, which we're going to do. And then we basically grind it down and smooth it out. And we're hoping is this will fit around the OEM crash bar better. And then we're going to run a weld straight over the top. So stay tuned for that. We're going to do a little bit on that. All right, so we're cutting it here, and he's going to cut the top of the crash bar off. We put a slit right through the middle to make it easier to get this off. Being stubborn in the middle.
Yeah.
All right, so we're cutting it here, and he's going to cut the top of the crash bar off. We put a slit right through the middle to make it easier to get this off. So here we had to cut about 3/4 of the metal out. We still got to grind it, but pretty close to an inch, 3/4 of an inch right there on each side. And this is so it would fit better on the actual crash bar. And we did cut the front lip piece that was on there of that crash bar. You should see in some of the other videos. All right, so Scott here, thanks to him, he welded this up for me and did an amazing job. We already covered it with some paint, and what we did is we had to cut, what was this, Scott, about almost an inch out of the side, about 3/4 out of the side of the bumper. So we had to cut about 3/4 out of here to get it to slide right on nice and even onto the stock crash bar, and then we welded it and then grinded it down, hit it with some paint. And this is with the grill back on, where you can see. And we came around here. So now what we're going to try to do is have the stock bumper cover possibly fit around it and look halfway decent. But we'll see what we can do. If not, we're just going to leave it off, but we're going to try it. So we're hacking up the bumper, trying to see if we can make it look decent and fit on there. I like it without no bumper, but I also want to see what it looked like with the bumper cover on there. So we're going to check it out. Scott's been doing the chopping of the bumper, actually. I've been holding it, but he's doing this part by himself.